I wore the Smart Ring for 2 weeks and the result blew my mind. But this is the Ultrahuman Air ring. I've had it for just under a month. I wanted to give my honest opinion and also a complete breakdown of everything you need to know if you're actually planning on getting one of this Smart Ring. In case you're not familiar with this, the Ultrahuman Ring is like a smartwatch but in form of a small stylish ring. It tracks your sleep, your heart rate, stress, movement, activities all throughout the day and so much more, all from your finger. So we're gonna walk through the process. When you decide to buy this, the first thing they usually do is send you the sizing kit. The sizing kit comes with several props and all in different sizes, and they usually advise you to wear the props for like 48 hours so you get to know which one fits you best, also what finger you prefer to wear on. You also get sample colors to decide on what color you prefer. Personally for me, I was actually stuck between getting a size 5 and a size 6, but then I decided to go with a size 6 because I just felt more comfortable wearing on my index finger. Once you've chosen your preferred color and size, that is when they will send you the actual ring. Inside the box, that is where you find the ring, the charger, and also a manual to download the app and set up everything. Now let's get into the details of this ring. One of the first things I noticed and love is how sleek and minimum it looks. It's so small and lightweight and feels just like any other ring you will wear every day. But the best part is that it is so comfortable that sometimes I even forget that I'm wearing it, which is such a huge plus, especially since I'm wearing the ring all throughout the day and also wearing the ring to bed. Another major advantage is that there's no app subscription required. Unlike other brands, once you get the ring, you have full access to the app and also to your data. The fact that I don't have to pay another monthly subscription on the app to get access to my data is such a huge bonus. So now let's talk about the app. The app itself is very easy and beginner friendly. It tracks your sleeping details and how you're resting, and even gives you tips on how to improve your sleep in case you are not getting enough sleep. Then there's the movement tracking that just shows how many steps and how much calories you're burning all throughout the day. The app also gives you step goals. As you can see here on the app, the goal is 11,000 steps today. I just love the whole idea of giving you goals. It's such a positive way to get you to be active all throughout the day. Another feature that also really stood out to me is the stress tracking. And for the ladies, yes, it also tracks your monthly cycles as well. And of course, my favorite feature, the caffeine window. And as someone who loves coffee, I'm obsessed with this feature. I just love the whole idea of tracking how much coffee I drink and also when is the best time to stop drinking it so I can get a good night's sleep. It even monitors your vitamin D and lets you know if you're getting enough sunlight all throughout the day, and you can actually see that on the app, which I think is pretty unique. And on top of that, you also get the FDA approved monitor for AFib detection, and this tracks your heart rhythm and alerts you if your heart is breathing too fast or if it's breathing too slow. And then there's the fitness session on the app. It has a whole catalog of workout like yoga, pilates, strength training, and so much more, and honestly I think it's really amazing. As far as durability goes, this ring has been through a lot. I've worn it in the shower, I've worn it while swimming, I've worn it in the gym, and it's still holding up so well. And the battery life has also been really impressive. I've actually charged the ring twice since I got it, and I've had it for almost a month now. The app also notifies you when the battery is low and also when you need to charge it so you never forget. Overall, I really like the ring. I think it's such a solid product that does a great job at tracking your head without it being, intrusive. And personally, the ring just makes more sense to me than wearing a smartwatch all throughout the day or even wearing a smartwatch to bed. This is so comfortable. But right now, I believe it's actually retailing for $349, including tax. But for everything that it offers, plus no subscription fee, I think this is worth it. So if you're still on the edge, you still haven't decided yet if you should invest in one of this Ultrahuman ring, I absolutely recommend you go for it because personally, I love it. And you can also use the discount code that I'm going to leave on the screen to save a bit more money in case you are interested in getting one of this.